Hello, this is session 2, day 15, and today we shall discuss about the combination of capacitor. Combination of capacitor is nothing but the joining two or more capacitors to obtain a required amount of capacitance is called combination of capacitor. Again I am repeating, combination of capacitor is joining two or more capacitors to obtain a required capacitance which is not available to us. So what is combination of capacitor? Joining two or more capacitors to obtain required capacitance is called combination of capacitors. If we require such capacitance which is not available to us, then we join two or more capacitors, and there are two possibilities. If we require less than available capacitance, then we combine in another way, and when we join two or when we require the capacitance greater than the available capacitance, then we connect them or combine them in another way. So there are two types of combination of capacitors. Number one, series combination. Types of combination. Number one, series combination, and number two, parallel combination. Series combination and parallel combination. What is series combination? When second plate of first capacitor is connected to the first plate of second capacitor, such type of combination is called series combination. And in parallel combination, when first plates of two or more capacitors are connected at one side, and their second plates are connected at another side, then that is called parallel combination. The first we shall discuss about the series combination. First, series combination. When second plate of first capacitor is connected to first plate of second capacitor, then combination so obtained when combination so obtained is called series combination. The second plate of first capacitor is connected to the first plate of second capacitor. Means if we consider three capacitors, this is the first capacitor, the capacitance of this capacitor is C1, and now this is its second plate, this is positive charge, this is negative charge. This second plate of first capacitor is connected to the first plate of second capacitor, and then this is C2. Then again second plate of this capacitor is connected to the first plate of next capacitor, and this is C3, and the whole combination is connected to the charge source. This is the symbol of charge source. That plus Q charge is supplied by the charge source to the capacitor with capacitance C1, and it is accumulated at the inner surface of first plate. By the process of induction, the second place, the second plate gets minus Q charge at its inner surface and plus Q charge at outer surface. This minus Q charge remains here, and this positive charge of outer surface shifts to the second plate of first plate of second capacitor, and it is accumulated at this place. Now by the process of induction, the minus Q charge is induced at inner surface of second plate of second capacitor, and plus Q charge is induced at the outer surface of second plate of second capacitor. Then it is shifts to the first plate of third capacitor, and now it is plus Q charge, and at inner surface minus Q charge, and outer surface plus Q charge, and this plus Q charge goes to this way. In this manner, the whole capacitor are charged by plus Q charge in series combination. Means in series combination, the charges of all capacitors are equal. Means the charge of this capacitor is also plus Q, the charge of this capacitor is also plus Q, the charge of this capacitor is also plus Q, but their potentials are different. So let the potential of capacitor with C1 is V1, for C2 is V2, and for C3 is V3. So these are the potentials and charges. So in series combination, the charges are same, but the potentials are different. So this is the, now consider three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series combination, and the combination is connected to charge source of potential V, like V1, V2 and V3 are the potentials at C1, C2 and C3. Consider three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series combination, means according to this combination, means the second plate of first capacitor is connected to the first plate of second capacitor, and the combination is connected to charge source of potential. The potential of this charge source is V, and now the potential of V1, V2, V3 are the potentials produced at C1, C2 and C3. So, we know that this is the potential. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. These are the three potentials. Let Cs is the equivalent capacitance of combination. What is equivalent capacitance? Equivalent capacitance is the capacitance of a capacitor by which the whole combination can be replaced by the same source without changing the same charge. This is the equivalent capacitance. Again, I am telling you what is equivalent capacitance. Equivalent capacitance is the capacitance of the capacitor by which whole combination can be replaced by the same source without changing the same charge. That is called equivalent capacitance. And we know that Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q by C. So for this value, Q upon CS is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. And now Q can be taken as common. Q upon Cs is equal to Q 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Q and Q cancel out. 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Means a reciprocal of equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of reciprocals of individual capacitances of capacitors connected in. Now, if n capacitors are connected in the combination, when n capacitors are connected in the combination, then 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus dash 1 upon Cn. If 3 capacitors, then 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. If n capacitors, 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus dash 1 upon Cn. And again, if C1 is equal to C2 is equal to dash Cn is equal to C, the capacitance of all capacitors are equal, then 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus dash how many times? N times, and this will be is equal to N upon C, means Cs is equal to C by N. Capacitors are equal, then in this case we shall consider the Q. Now, for 2 capacitors, if only 2 capacitors are connected in series combination, 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. C1, C2 LCM, C1 plus C2. means Cs is equal to C1 plus C2 upon C1 plus C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the value of series combination for two capacitors, and again C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C. If the capacitance is equal, then C into C upon C plus C means C into C upon 2 into C. C and C cancelled out, C by 2. Then Cs is equal to C by 2. So this is all about series combination.